I love box frame accent tables. They're fast, easy, and cheap to build yourself. I've made coffee tables and console tables, and we've had tons of reader submitted projects because this plan is so great. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of building box frame furniture. Don't worry about writing anything down because we've got all the plans covered and they're all free. Just click the link in the description. For my plans, I used 2x2s for the frame and 1x boards for the top. All the cuts are simple straight cuts. I recommend a compound miter saw, but you could also use a circular saw. All of the plans come with a specific cut list so you can cut with confidence and get right into building. For building, I'm using these 2.5-inch trim screws that are self-tapping so you don't need to pre-drill them. Putting the frame together is pretty straightforward. You just build two of the end pieces and then tie them together. I used one screw per joint and a generous amount of glue, just rotating the project until all of the different frame pieces were attached. Then I let the entire frame dry on a flat level surface. Then I filled those screw holes with wood filler and let that dry, gave everything a good sanding, and then painted the base separately. I didn't paint the top of the base so that way I could glue and nail the 1x top to the top. And that's it. For about $25 in lumber and a couple hours of work, I came up with this.